Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by vast mountains, lived a young boy named Arjun. From that day he could walk, Arjun would gaze at the highest peak, Mount Varsha, its tip always hidden in the clouds. It was said that no one from the village had ever reached its summit. Impossible, the elders would say. Too deep, too cold, too dangerous. But Arjun's heart burned with a quiet fire. He didn't want to live his whole life wondering what if. So at the age of 17, he decided to climb it. His friends laughed, his family worried. Still, with a simple backpack, some food, and a dream larger than himself, Arjun began the journey. The first few days were easy. Green meadows and birds chirping accompanied him. But as he climbed higher, the air grew thin, the winds harsher, and the nights colder. Several times he thought of turning back. Every time doubt crept in, he remembered why he started. Not to prove others wrong, but to prove himself right. On the fourth day, a fierce storm struck. Alone and trembling, Arjun found a small cave and took shelter. Inside, carved into the stone walls by past travelers, he found a message. The strongest mountain you ever climb is the one inside your mind. Those words sank deep into Arjun's soul. He realized the real battle wasn't against the mountain. It was against his own fear, fatigue and discouragement. It wasn't grand strength that carried him to the top, but small stubborn steps. When he finally reached the summit, the village below was a tiny patch, and the sky seemed close enough to touch. He stood there, tears streaming down his face, not because the climb was over, but because he realized he had changed forever. When Arjun returned, the village welcomed him like a hero, not because he conquered a mountain, but because he showed them that what they believed impossible was simply untried. From that day on, Mount Varsha wasn't called impossible anymore. It was called the Mountain of Dreams.